everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is me, Sheikh Samialom from Learner School of English. Today our kids are going to do a fun activity. So are you guys ready?
Yes!
Can we start?
Yes!
Okay, then 1, 2, 3. Fire on a mountain, run, run, run. Fire on a mountain, run, run, run. Fire on a mountain,
Run, run, run!
now make a group number of 2. Oh, who don't get a Mursaleen? Poor boy. Sorry dear, you are out of the game. Now again, make the circle. Again, fire on a mountain.
Run, run, run!
Fire on a mountain.
Run, run, run!
Fire on a mountain.
Run, run, run!
Now make a group number of 5. 5. Oh, how many have the 5 number group? See? Oh, you don't get the 5. Anyone come, please come here. Oh, Mursaleen and Taskin, you are out of the game. Sorry dear, go and stand over there. Again make circle, again make circle. So again, fire on a mountain.
Run, run, run!
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 Now make a group of number 3. Okay, Jinia, please come out here. Sorry, dear. Oh, we have only 9 students. Okay, go fast. Fire on a mountain. Run, run, run. Fire on a mountain.
Run, run, run!
Fire on a mountain.
Run, run, run!
Now make a group number 4. Oh, Zara, you came late, so you are out of the game. So dear, fast. We are so close to our end. So again, fire on a mountain.
Run, run, run!
Fire on a mountain.
Run, run, run!
Now make a group of number 5. Oh, sorry dear, you 3 are out of the game. Go and stand over there. You 5 come here. The last. Now make a fire on a mountain. Fire on a mountain. Fire on a mountain. Make a group of number 2. Isaba. Okay dear, you are out of the game. Go and stand there. These 2 are the winner and we have some gifts for these 2. So here are the gifts. This is for you, Ifza. This is for Nilima. This is for Safan. This is for Saif. So in this way, our kids are learning how to make a group of different type of numbers. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum. So bye bye.